What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mamba, and today we gonna be doing the ammo box challenge. Now, so basically, what this challenge is like, let me show you an example. If I have an AR and it uses medium ammo, if I get medium ammo out of my ammo box, I can use that. I can use the AR.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But if I have an AR, if I want to use an AR, but I only got shotgun ammo out of the ammo box, then I can't use the AR. You know what I'm saying? Alright. That's how I'm showing you. Make sure you like and subscribe, or this spider will be in your bed tonight. Let me find it. Come on, please, please. Oh, alright, so we got shotgun ammo. Can't get that. We got shotgun ammo and sniper ammo. Alright. Can't use that. Let's pop this. Alright, we need to find a shotgun and we need snipers. I need a shotgun. We got a pump. He's really good at the house. Come fight.
Hey bitch, what's up bitch? Suck my dick bitch.
They're ready for these clean edits. You see him? Are you ready? Right here, that's not.
Look at fucking dust box that you folks from. I'm grabbing him now. I'm grabbing him now.
Feels bad. Oh, we got a sniper. Alright, we got a sniper guy. We have a tag? No tag. Alright, so this is probably gonna be our load up for the aim, unless we upgrade weapons. What? Are you kidding me, bro? I'm so bad. You don't want to feel bad on me, buddy. I'm trying to tell you. What? Yep, got her. Got her. Yeah. Bro, where's this guy? Let's go.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Let's go! I'm actually cracked! I'm actually cracked, bro! I'm actually cracked! I'm actually good at this game, bro. Like, I'm actually so good. I'm cracked. 250 headshot too? Are you kidding me? He's got an upgrade on our pump. Bro, I don't care, bro. This is not a gun, bro. This is not a gun. Yes, it does 75 damage, but it's not a gun, bro. So I'm gonna take this with me, just in case. I'll just see y'all when I get into the next fight. This guy's over here. Ooh, I can hit this actually. Imagine. Ooh. There's another guy over there, but they look like snakes. Oh, can I? Ooh, I want this headshot so bad. Stop moving, buddy. You literally get destroyed. Stop moving, you're dead. I don't want to kill him. I feel like he's better. I'm gonna hold him down. Bro, he's gonna get the hills off, bro. He's gonna get the hills off, bro. Cannot. Ah, I can't even do nothing about it, bro. He's gonna heal up. I have no shot to him. I have no way on. No maps. Nothing. Actually, nothing. Nothing, bro. I can't get any of this. No. Can't get none of this, bro, because of this stupid challenge. We're just gonna have to run it out. Ooh, bandages. I'm gonna have to drop this. Yeah, we'll make it. I'm pretty sure we'll make it. Alright. Bro, I was playing again, bro. Like, I couldn't talk, bro. I'm sorry. I just could not talk. I just could not talk, bro. I'm so close to getting this win, bro. I'm not trying to do this over again. I believe in myself. Do y'all believe in me? You guys believe in me? I hope you guys believe in me. I got to believe in myself. That's all that matters. But let's get this done. Enough said. Enough said. Honestly, don't even know what. I do not want to. Alright, I'm debating. Rush should come up here. There's no. There might be somebody else. Alright, there's nobody. Yeah, there's nobody. I'm going to try to ask her. No, we can do. Oh, it's a 1v1. Oh, it's the last guy. Bro, I can complete his challenge, bro. Where is he? No! No! Yeah, sure. That's no nice, bro. I gotta win this, bro. I gotta win this. For the culture. No way. You gotta be shitting me, bro.
Fuck you and you and you.
For 110, get him for 110.
Friends and they hate me too. I'm through. This that hot girl by my anthem, turn it up and throw a tantrum. This that hot girl by my anthem, turn it up and throw a tantrum. This that throw up in your Birkin bag, hook up with someone random. This that social awkward suicide that by your lips and by your likes. I swear she.
Boy, if you don't get